In today's video, we will be unboxing and checking out a very unique watch from CIGA Design. Founded by Zhan Jianming, one of China's top 10 industrial designers, they are a watchmaking brand that offers very unique and stylish watch faces for a much lower price without compromising much on quality. Even with their packaging here, you really can feel the attention to details that they put inside. This is the X Series Great Ape, and it's a fully automatic watch that uses a custom self-developed auto movement. But what's cool about it is that it's in a skeleton enclosure, hence you get this very beautiful view showcasing all the intricate components of the watch. Having this on your wrist will definitely help you draw some attention. Coming in just under 12mm thick, it's quite sleek and the overall design has a very futuristic and cyberpunk look. It comes with two different strap types, but my favorite has to be the NATO one. I have the black and orange colorway, and it's made from stainless steel, which gives it this very sturdy and well built feeling, but there's also a titanium version alongside various other colorways.